Everyone thinks the best-selling air fryer toaster oven combo is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Let's kick things off with the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Priced at $191.99, this model caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel finish and impressive 8-in-1 functionality. If you want a reliable kitchen appliance that does it all, this is worth a serious look. It has a spacious capacity, allowing you to toast 6 slices of bread or air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings in one go. Plus, the adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer make it super user-friendly. With 7,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among home cooks. Now, some people complained about how the heating elements can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, while it might take a little elbow grease, the cooking performance and versatility make it totally worth it for most users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you're short on counter space or prefer a more basic model. In terms of value, you really get a lot for your money here. Now, if that cleaning concern bothered you, the next option might actually address that with a simpler design. Product number 2, Cosari 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze. Next up is the Cosari 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, priced at just $89.87. This one stood out because it combines sleek design with functionality, and it's incredibly affordable. If you want crispy results without breaking the bank, you should definitely check this out. What's great about the Cosari is its TurboBlaze technology, which delivers a powerful fan speed of 3,600 RPM. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, and the PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking with 95% less oil. With over 19,600 reviews and a rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that this model is doing something right. However, some users noted that the presets can be a bit confusing at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the features make cooking a breeze, and the time savings alone make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a busy parent looking for quick, healthy meals. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional toaster oven layout. For the price, you're getting a fantastic deal here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more compact design. Product number 3, Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake. Now let's talk about the Black Plus DECKER Crisp and Bake. This little gem is priced at $61.99, making it one of the most affordable options on our list. If you're after versatility without a hefty price tag, this is worth a look. This model offers 5-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm all in one compact unit. It fits up to a 9-inch pizza, which is great for quick family meals or snacks. The Even Toast technology ensures your toast comes out evenly golden brown every time. With a solid 4.2-star rating from around 6,200 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. However, some users reported that it takes a bit longer to cook than other models. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush and want to save money, it's a small trade-off for the versatility and convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you're a college student or someone living alone looking for a compact, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine for larger meals. Overall, it's a solid value for what you pay. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more capacity and tech, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Ninja Digital Air Fryer. Next on the list is the Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven, priced at $229.99. This model caught my attention with its innovative flip-up design. If you want a high-capacity option that saves counter space, this one's worth considering. The Ninja features 8-in-1 functionality, meaning you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all in one unit. It cooks up to 60% faster than traditional ovens, which is a game changer for busy cooks. With a capacity that fits a 13-inch pizza or 9 slices of toast, it's perfect for bigger families. It also has a 4.6-star rating from nearly 30,000 reviews, showing it's a popular choice. On the downside, some users found the initial setup a bit complicated. But to be honest, once you get it set up, the performance and quick cooking times are impressive, definitely worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you have a large family or frequently entertain guests. Skip this one if you're tight on space since it's a bit larger. The investment is definitely justified with its performance. Now, if you're after a model with even more cooking functions, you'll want to hear about the next one. Product number 5, Emeril Lagacé Extra Large. Finally, we have the Emeril Lagacé Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven priced at $179.99. This one immediately caught my eye with its stunning design and functionality. If you want an appliance that can handle anything from snacks to full meals, this is definitely worth your time. With 24 cooking functions, this multi-cooker can do it all, from air frying to roasting to baking. The 26 QT capacity accommodates large meals, making it perfect for gatherings. Its dual-speed fan ensures golden, crispy results every time, while the stainless steel finish adds elegance to your kitchen. With a 4.4-star rating and over 16,500 reviews, it's another favorite among users. However, some users mention that it can take up a good amount of counter space. This is perfect for you if you love hosting or cooking for a crowd. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact for personal use. The value for such a high-capacity machine is impressive. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options. The versatile Cuisinart, the budget-friendly Casari, the compact Black Plus Decker, the high-capacity Ninja, and the multifunctional Emeril Lagacé. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what will work best for your cooking needs. No matter which you choose, you're sure to enjoy delicious meals with these amazing air fryer toaster oven combos.